You guys, so welcome back to another pack opening on FIFA 16. Now, if you haven't seen my last FIFA 16 pack opening, make sure you check it out. It was some great pack luck on there. And I put a new video on about a minute ago. About a minute ago. Yo, about a minute ago. Yeah, it's pretty much American football kick-ups. So make sure you check that out. Anyway, let's get on with my with the video. Here we go. First pack is still loading, but we're gonna get someone decent, just like fucking Remy. I mean, Remy's not what you want. Oh, great, we got another bloody silver in form, which is crap. So basically, guys, I got today to upload videos, cause then Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday I will be going on holidays. We're going to Cornwall, I don't even know. Anyway, so yeah, I will be trying to do some videos there as well. Bit of vlogging, or I don't know. But yeah, I will be trying to put as many videos on as possible for you to watch until I really don't know when. Probably start off from next week. I don't know if I'm gonna do any on Thursday, Friday and the weekend, but we will see. Alright, here we go again with the pack opening. And we get bloody Naldo. Naldo is a freaking centre back. We get Allen. What the freaking name that is. We got Anthony Marshall. Welcome, Sonny Jim. Alright, Marshall is a decent player. He's a decent bloody player. Holy crap. Oh my freaking god. Ronaldo, what the frick is going on? Yes, boys. You see, like every single pack opening from now, like in the past pack openings as well, getting like Ronaldo in the video. Like, this is sick. Then we get I was gonna say Mark Rice, but it's Tony Kroos. He's a decent player. Oh, just hurry up. This takes bloody freaking ages. Alright, here we go. Voice crack. Right, Verratti. I don't even know if this guy's good. I mean, he has some okay stats. 83 passing, 87 dribbling. Ah, hello, mate, but 68 pace is not really what we want. Aubameyang, 95 pace, 79 dribbling, 81 shooting, 36 defense, 75 passing, and 71 physical. And we got the big lad, Arthur Turin, 75 pace, 74 shooting, 82 passing, 87 dribbling. Now, we got some really skillful players here, but we don't give a crap, because we're moving on to our next pack, which we get Parejo. This is so crap now. Oh, we got Adrian Ramos. He's an absolute beast on this game, so make sure you go and buy him. His maximum price is 10k, so trust me, he's not that much. Oh, we got Ivan Rakitic. Alright. We got Cahill, Smalling, I'll be what the frick is that name? But we got the Lord, Nicholas Bentner. Nicholas Bentner. Lord Bentner. Laporte. Fucking Laporte. We got a left mid in from Musa. 94 pace, 83 dribbling, 80 shooting, 68 passing, 30 defense and 55 physical. You know what, Musa is an absolute beast, trust me. He will just run all the bloody freaking weight, mate. With his bloody pace. Ibrahimovic. Right, actually, last pack opening that I've done, I actually didn't got any new team of the week, like good players. Like Wijnaldum, Hero Wijnaldum, even inform Raheem Sterling, even bloody Ibra and Neymar and Marcelo, obviously. Everyone wants info Neymar, Ibra. I mean, come on now. Javier Mother trucking Martinez. Right, really is not what I want, for its sake. At least we got Biabiani, another pacey guy in Adriano. I saw that Brazil, Barcelona, and I thought he was bloody Neymar, but such a fucking troll. He was left back Adriano. I'll try and say that name. Konoplyak Boo. He had 90 pace though. Oh my god, we just got Ibra again, boys. Yay! I'm not cheering a lot because I want an inform. Like a good inform. Like an inform Ibra. Like an inform Neymar. Like a hero Wijnaldum. And we get bloody Fabregas. But I don't think they even heard what I said. They just do not give a shit. They just decide to give you whatever they want. But he actually goes for 80k, okay. Whoa. Alright, here we go. Next pack. Surely there will be someone in here that I will be proud of. Oh, sick. Tony bloody Cruz. Oh my goodness me. Tony Cruz and Robert Lewandowski. Right, what a pack that was. It was decent. Company. Alright. We're getting somewhere, but not where we actually... I don't know what's wrong. I can't even talk. Where I actually wanted to be. Oh, who's that? Frick's sake, such a bloody troll. I mean, he's still in from Daniel Sturridge. But Mario Balotelli, what a beast. But I thought for a second, oh my god, it's Ibra. His Neymar is Sterling. But he's the other guy that looks like Sterling. And he still plays for Liverpool. Is Sturridge. Oh, guess what? We just got Zuma. I think he's decent in this game. I have no idea what I'm saying. Oh, just hurry the frick up. Please, just don't do this to me. Thank you very bloody much. Oh, we got Leandro Castan. And the troll bloody name. Jesus freaking Christ. Jesus Christ. Oh, just fucking hurry up. You know what, this takes ages. Last pack of today's pack opening would be someone really decent. I got a feeling about this, right? I really do. Yeah, we will love Mamadou Diarra. Like, it's not what you bloody freaking want, son, is it? Oh, Lassana Diarra, whatever. He used to play for Real Madrid. Anyway, guys, If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, subscribe, and peace.